All right, welcome back, everyone. It's like 50 degrees here in Michigan this morning, so I had to bring out the beanie already. Anyway, welcome back, everyone. Right off the bat, I got too busy yesterday. Remember, I've never missed a pre-market, but in the last few months. But sometimes, it just gets busy midday, so I do apologize. I missed the noon session yesterday, but hey, it's free, okay? I do have a lot going on, okay? Between the Steady Trade team, blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, books I'm writing. So anyway, I do apologize. I did say yesterday I'd be back at noon, but I just got too busy. So, before I get started, I do want to bring up the Oracle Daily Alerts sale ends this week, okay? You guys know I'm all here about information. I'm not here to, give you sales pitches all day long. That's not why I'm here. But check out the link. It'll be in chat. It'll be in the post. Oracle Daily Alerts, great tool, especially for new traders and part-time traders to really focus on the best potential stock of the day. There's a video there. I explain it all. Go to the link. Again, it's 20% off, and you can go month to month, Check it out. I think it's a great resource. I use it every day. I read the Oracle Daily Alert every single day. So, big fan. Check it out. I mean, take advantage of save some money. So, all right, that being said, let's get to work. Yes, Oracle Daily Alerts is standalone. That's a question I get a lot. Obviously I love Stocks to Trade. I love the platform, but the cool thing is you can use Oracle Daily Alerts without the platform. So definitely check it out. So, all right. Verb. Athena, I appreciate you being first. Number one, I always lean towards the people that are here first. But Athena, come on. What am I looking at? This stock is sideways for an entire year, and it's traded 4,000 shares this morning. I commend you for being first, but come on. Don't give me a 4,000 share, a stock trading 4,000 shares. Tesla, red currently, but actually I just retweeted, this is kind of cool, this news from Open Outcrier. Open Outcrier is a great guy, really love, he's an awesome guy, does some great things on Twitter. Panasonic is investing $100 million in an electric vehicle battery plant in the U.S. for Tesla. Bring that manufacturing to America. So now, I think, going into the split, I just think Tesla's going to continue to go into the split. So if you have time, I would appreciate your views on WYY. It has good earnings, but it hasn't done anything in terms of movement. WYY is a information technology company. So remember, Murat, I appreciate the question. But remember, what often happens is if a company announces earnings, they can still be profitable. But if the market doesn't like the earnings, if the market expected more, the stock's going to fade. So listen, don't try and play guessing games, especially short-term trading. When we're talking short-term trading, focus on breakouts, focus on VWAP holds, focus on dip and rips, okay? Don't try and play guessing games. So SRNE, a lot of you guys asking about this. Listen, I know I loved this stock for months, but the CFO left yesterday. Never a good sign, okay? Never a good sign when the chief financial officer walks out. So I would avoid SRNE. So CLSK, another electric vehicle play. Man, I would say what I would look for on CLSK. Number one, you got to watch Tesla. Okay, keep Tesla in your radar. But would love to see maybe get a little bit of a dip on CLSK and then a hold of green. So look for that little bit of a dip. Ideally, it holds green on the day, and then you would risk off of a green to red. So CLSK, loving this, almost ready to break out. Got to watch Tesla. But look for a hold of green for basing, then a risk off of red or green to red. Sorry. What about what happens with Solo? Well, Solo's an electric vehicle play. Solo's a red to green. Apple thoughts. I mean, my thoughts on Apple are a lot of you guys asking about Apple. I mean, just buy Apple and don't look at it for 5 years. I mean, all joking aside, buy Apple and just forget about it. Never look at it. And in 5 years, you'll be happy. Okay? So, I mean, if you would have had, I've been saying that forever. Okay? I mean, if you've followed me on the podcast, listen, I've been doing videos for a decade now. Okay? And I've been saying, buy Apple, buy Apple, buy Apple. So, I mean, if I was going to go to the wilderness for a year, okay, I'd buy Apple. That's what I would do. I'd buy Apple and then go to the wilderness. And I'd come back and I bet you I'd be happy. Breaking news. What is the breaking news? LITB announces earnings. Okay, earnings out on LITB. Kind of low float, not really. That's a breakout over 4. So LITB earnings out. Kind of low float, but big breakout over 4. As always, I would caution you to avoid at the market open, but look for that. Look for this to base, and then break 4 midday, late day. Will Tesla go down? Never. How do I get the breaking news sound? Number one, you got to have the breaking news feature. But if you do have the breaking news, you go up to in stocks of trade, go up to your wrench, okay, in the upper part of your breaking news chat, and turn on the breaking news sound alert, okay? I like the cash register. There's a lot of different options, but I like the cash register myself. So, Chrysler. Oh, jeez. Who's asking about Chrysler? Oh, You want a trade idea? Short Chrysler with everything you got, man. Oh, so anyway, if you're looking for a long-term, so I talked about a long-term hold on Apple, okay? You want a long-term short? Go all in short Chrysler, man. They are doomed. Bankruptcy number 3 is coming for. Timestamp this, okay? I got to write it down. FCAU. I predict bankruptcy number 3 for Chrysler in the next 18 months. See you in 18 months. Watt. So WATT had some news last night. Or it was this morning. News was, or no. It was last night. Or no. Yeah. Sorry. This morning. I saw 6:30. I thought it was 6:30 p.m. More breaking news. AESE has news. So anyway, Watt, sketchy stock. I'd say avoid Watt. AESE. Ooh, esports. Ooh, I like AESE as a VWAP hold high day. Murat says, these pre-market videos really helps. Thanks for the effort. Thank you. You look so fresh. What's the secret? Clean living, baby. Diet, exercise, and 6 pots of coffee. All right? Get your rest, man. Eat right. Exercise. It's all simple stuff. But thank you for saying I look fresh this morning. Thank you. I will leave on this. Cannabis stocks, avoid them. Weed stocks suck right now, okay? Weed stocks are terrible. Focus on virus plays, focus on EV plays, focus on SPACs, okay? SPACs have been some of the hottest movers. Avoid weed stocks. Weed stocks stink right now. AESE. Okay, I think I got caught up there. Kodak's dead. Quit asking about Kodak. It's dead. Made a stupid trade yesterday after you said to ignore it. I didn't listen to you and lost big time. Well, listen, Nort. So number one, Nort, keep your head up, okay? And remember, have a plan, okay? Stick to your stop loss. Now listen, big losses are going to happen, but you can control that, okay? Now, if I said ignore the stock and it didn't work out, I mean, it's not like I'm going to be like, oh, you should have listened to me. The biggest point I'm going to make, Nort, is, listen, if I don't like a stock, doesn't mean it's not a trade. Just like weed stocks. I mean, weed stocks move. I just hate them because they always fail at the open. They never trend for multiple days. But this is what I would say, Nort. Stick to your plan. Stick to it, okay? You shouldn't take a big loss because you should always calculate your loss before you enter. So, and that goes for everyone. All right, everyone. Again, be sure to check out that Oracle Daily Alert sale. Again, it ends Friday. It's 20% off. You can sign up month by month, okay? You can it's not like you're committing to a year or anything. And then you don't need the platform. So, again, I love stocks to trade, but the great thing about ODDA, it is a standalone. So, all right, guys, I will be back at noon today. And awesome stuff. Thanks for the kind comments. And look forward to seeing you next time. So,